Hi everyone, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. And here's extreme charging going on in the ionosphere over near Japan and over here in South America. Red and white and black and blue areas are extreme capacitance or charging, and we're going to focus on Japan first here because the following day, this is November the 20th, on the 21st, they had nearly a magnitude 7 at 2059 Universal Time. And here's the neutron monitor in China. You can see the usual S-curve, and then at about 19 and 2000, we had two decent spikes there, or dielectric discharges. And you can see the reaction on Japan's magnetometer, and right here at 19 and 2000 you have magnetic disruptions there, and right after that we had the earthquake. So that's definitely instantaneous action at a distance there. And remember, the sun is basically a solar transformer, and in the auroral electric jet in Japan, you can see during that time of those spikes, they had steady induction going on there. Nothing huge, but there's definitely a steady stream there. So remember, gamma rays, you can think of gamma rays as galactic lightning, which come in via the galactic circuit, and the galactic circuit hooks up with the solar circuit, and the solar circuit hooks up with the ionosphere and magnetosphere, and then you have induction of the ionosphere by the gamma rays or dielectric discharging to the ground. Now, of course, you can't see the discharges, but I think this is a great illustration of what's going on there. Of course, you can't see gamma rays, as I've explained many times, but this is literally the largest. This is back at China's neutron monitor on the 25th here. You can see a neutron spike or dielectric discharge of neutron count was well over 500,000. So that's by far, like you can see here, like, you know, some little spikes here, but I think that really puts it in perspective that this is by far the largest neutron count spike or discharge that I've ever seen since I started doing this. And lucky for China, right after that huge spike or discharge, the solar induction dropped down to almost nothing. So also on the 25th, you can see there was some ionospheric capacitance above China there, and we really didn't get much solar activity or induction until about 700 Universal Time following a day. On the 25th, there was a 4.7, and then after that, in sync with the spikes here, we had about 5 or 6 earthquakes between magnitude 4 and 5 at 9:23 Universal Time. And then looking at the magnetometer, you can see that the time of the earthquakes and solar induction. So lots of earthquakes going on, totally in sync with solar induction. So, and then one final quake, I wanted to show you another gamma ray spike on the 26th here at started at about 1945, and there was another 4.6 at that time. So I think that's about it for now. This is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. Thanks for watching. Take care.